3, 2, 1, go!
I've never made a burger out of candy before.
I haven't either, but I love candy. Okay, we're using a sticky bun for the buns. I think I'm going to use a Reese's peanut butter cup for the meat.
You going meat already?
Yeah, this is a lot of meat. I might cut this.
I'm actually gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna put it on my thing.
What?
This is a giant
Oh my
DIY
God, Matt, that's you.
candy burger. You're doing it.
Okay, I could do little part.
So this is gonna be my tomato. Whoa, that actually looks pretty good.
I'm gonna use a fruit roll up from my tomato. I love this DIY making food out of candy thing because I love candy. Wow, this fruit roll up's working good.
I'm actually gonna use a fruit roll-up as well. This is actually gonna be my cheese. It's melting right down.
We need some lettuce.
One for my mouth.
This is the best challenge ever.
I love sour belts. All right, gotta top off this DIY candy burger.
But wait, you need some French fries. Good thing I have these Twizzlers.
Just like it.
Frosting for ketchup. This is amazing.
I need some ketchup too. This looks like pretty well put together. Mine looks amazing.
Time to present. All right, you guys, I want you to comment right now who you think made the better burger and fries out of candy. Hold on, I want to try a fry real quick.
Oh my gosh.
It's so good.
All right, you ready to eat this?
1, 2, 3. Hey Zam fam, it's Rebecca and I'm with my hubby Matt Slays, and if you can't tell already, we are making real food out of candy. I may have a cold, but you know what makes me feel better?
Candy! I love candy!
No, but seriously, I do.
That's scary.
And we have a ton of candy and we're gonna be attempting to make different food items.
And we even made Rice Krispie treats for this challenge.
Yes, they're so good, I can't wait!
And at the end of each round, you guys in the Zam fam are gonna vote who of us two made better food out of candy.
And hopefully you'll learn how to make food out of candy too.
Yes, by watching us possibly fail. So for this round, we're gonna be attempting to make spaghetti and meatballs.
I'm actually gonna be using like a little bit of penne pasta. It's gonna be awesome. Back to the Twizzler.
I'm using yellow Twizzlers, and I hope that they come off. They're not stringy.
It's not that kind of Twizzler.
Also, you guys stick around until the end of the video because we will be eating all of these candy foods that we make. Do you think they're gonna taste good?
We'll find out.
I mean, it's candy, it can't be that bad. I'm figuring this out. Why is it so sticky on the inside?
I think these are filled. They are! They're sweet and sour filled.
Well, my noodles will just be a little bit thicker.
I said the sour.
They're not like my favorite candy.
I like Red Bull.
I'm not really a big fan of licorice.
It's a pasta.
How are you already ready? I'm still getting mine.
I'm like the spaghetti. So now I'm gonna put on some red frosting right here.
What? I'm not even there yet. I'm so far behind.
No spaghetti is complete without meatballs. Ferrero Rocher.
I gotta think of something to save this pasta.
Woo! This pasta's looking amazing. Kind of taking my time a little bit now.
I have an idea. Never give up. I got this.
Boom, done. Get some meatballs.
I wanna use this, but I have a different strategy.
Rebecca's like, I want to save the Cadbury eggs for later for me.
I'm putting them on a plate right here.
You're gonna be down one, because I'm going in with this guy.
You're eating it?
Yep.
Hey, that's for the
You
challenge.
think I can throw this in the air and eat it in my mouth?
What are these? Roca. What are these called? Chocolate Roca?
Ferrero Rocher.
Yes. Okay, I'm smothering my meatballs in sauce because that's what I do. I think this is actually gonna be me that wins this.
What'd you do to that?
I'm so excited to eat this at the end. Before we show our pasta, I wanna see if you guys can thumbs up the video and hashtag Candy Squad because you know you love candy. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Comment hashtag Candy Squad if you did that.
Pasta.
So I went with like the longer noodles, like a traditional spaghetti.
I went for like a little bit more creamy goodness. Like mine will last the whole evening.
I mixed mine in the sauce, so also comment if you like your spaghetti with the sauce mixed or on its own. Who won round 2? For round 3, we are making pizza! And we actually made Rice Krispies from scratch. Well, Matt, okay, I kind of spilled some, so Matt did most of it. That is what our crust will be for this pizza. Anything goes on this pizza.
I'm gonna start off with my pizza sauce.
I'm starting off
Which
with
is
the
red, of
cheese.
course.
Oh wait, I forgot about the sauce.
What is your favorite candy?
Still eating the frosting. I'm adding the cheese. I used some orange food coloring and some white frosting. This is a really cheesy pizza.
I could just end right there, but there's
I'm
more.
gonna use my finger. Everyone likes their own germs.
Oh, it's kind of like a white pizza, a little bit.
You can add orange if you need it.
I'm cool. I'm going with my pepperoni.
What? I'm doing pepperoni too, but I'm adding something else.
I feel like sometimes the pepperoni gets cut cut off in the slice. I'm just gonna do that.
I might have to take your idea.
No! Come on! I'm kind of like the DIY king.
And I just fail.
I like tomatoes on mine a little bit.
Okay, don't take my idea. I was gonna do pineapple. I don't even like pineapple on my pizza.
And then these are what I'm gonna call my special sauce. I don't even know what you call these.
Now for the crust, which is whipped cream. Oh my god.
Whoa! That looks cool.
It looks so good. I wish you could eat this pizza through the screen that you're watching this on because it looks delicious.
Go with like a little bit more of a stuffed crust pizza.
Yours is definitely a candy pizza. This is probably the best candy pizza I've ever made.
It's the only candy pizza you've made.
True. 3, 2, 1.
It's a kind of pizza.
This turned out so good.
These look pretty delicious. I think you did an okay job on this one. This is the first non-fail for you.
Hey! All right, you guys, make sure to comment who won round 3. And now we're gonna move on to round 4. For round 4, we're gonna be making one of my favorite things to eat. It's nachos.
Yeah.
And for my nachos, I'm gonna be using sugar cookies, which I went and cut into little triangles.
And I actually made the Rice Krispies into like little chips as well. So ready for this one. I'm gonna put my cheese down first because this is how I make nachos. Cheesy nachos already. I mean, it looks delicious, but we're not done yet.
I love nachos when each chip has like everything on it, you know? Like I don't like it when they just have one item. I want every chip to have every single thing.
Okay, so we have carrot cake here. This is gonna be like some of the other, oh yeah, the beans to the meat.
Don't mess with my nachos. Your cheese is very orange.
I know, cheddar. And get that cheese.
I don't know if you guys saw a picture of my nachos, but I had edible nachos for my birthday. It was all a cake. So the chips were like sugar, cookie, crisp things, and they used a lot of it, which is how we got the idea of how we could try to make these candy nachos look like real nachos. Now I'm adding in my meat, which is my carrot cake. Eat as I go.
We got the sour belts here. I like to have some lettuce on mine. Yeah.
That lettuce looks a little weird.
I need sour cream.
Me too. Okay, my favorite thing in the world is sour cream on my nachos. Who do you think won and made better nachos? Don't look at my fingers right now because they're a hot mess. Which nachos look more edible? I feel like we should have to eat the other person's food.
No, just because I've done such a good job.
Because I
And you're sick. Guys, if I'm sick by the time this video comes out, you know why. Send help.
Sushi time! So we have the Rice Krispie treats and we are going to be rolling them up and trying to make the best sushi possible. Matt's very excited about this
Because I'm
round.
finally gonna use Swedish fish.
I am rolling a fruit roll up, which will be my seaweed, I guess. And wow, Matt, getting into it.
Yes.
Hey, that's what I was gonna do.
Well, I did it first.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna have to cut it like a sushi roll. Here's our sushi. Which one do you want to eat more? Mine's so colorful on the inside.
I see you, sushi.
You guys, I think I won that round. And for this last and final round, we are making burritos.
Yes.
And anything goes for this round. So any of the candy we have here is fair game and we can use whatever we want as long as we roll it up using this fondant. I gotta start off with some
Very good.
chocolate frosting. Do you like chocolate frosting or vanilla frosting? Don't worry about my burrito. Worry about your
Oh,
own
I'm not
burrito.
worrying about it. And you know what? I'm not worrying about my burrito either. Because this thing's gonna be bomb. I'm gonna use this whole bag of jellies.
Who doesn't like candy? That's what I want to know.
So
How
I
do you
have
know?
this amazing looking burrito right here. Rebecca doesn't know what she's doing, but it's okay. So I'm gonna put a little bit of the end topping here. This is whipped cream. Rebecca's not gonna see how to do this, so it's okay. You take each side, roll it up, pull it up over here, and then you just go through. And then boom, you have one of the most amazing looking burritos in the world! See if Rebecca can do it. We're looking good, guys. We're gonna make it, this is gonna be perfect. I gave you the keys to the kingdom, and you threw it away.
Oh yeah. This is not a fail. This is good.
It's like some of the best looking candy burritos I've ever seen.
Display.
Ah!
Okay, so you can't see the inside, but just trust me, mine is better. Mine's wrapped nicer. That's what you get.
Yeah.
And now is the time that you've all been waiting for. We are going to be eating all of this candy food, and we're gonna be testing it, and hopefully it tastes good.
Because it looks delicious.
It's candy, it has to be good, right? Okay, so the first thing that we are trying are our burritos. Fondant's edible, right?
I hope so. 3, 2, 1. Is it edible?
Edible.
Okay, let me try.
It's really rich. The next one we are trying is our spaghetti.
It's a pasta.
I'm just eating a meatball first. Kind of like the yellow Twizzlers. I kind of want real food now after eating all this candy. And now we are eating one of my favorite meals, nachos. Now before we eat this, make sure to subscribe if you have not and turn on the notifications. And if you love nachos, comment that you love nachos too.
I've never been sugar depressed, but
Oh, mine's so good. Oh.
who made those Rice Krispies? Woo!
Not me. I tried, then he kicked me out of the kitchen. Next, we have the sushi.
Yeah.
This is so good. This is my favorite kind of sushi. It's the perfect amount of sweets right now. And the last one One of us will eat the burger and the other is gonna eat the pizza. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this. French fry with ketchup.
There's so much frosting on that one.
All right, you guys, and that concludes us making real food out of candy. I think we did pretty good.
I just dabbed.
That dabbing's over.
The dab never dies.
Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Let's see if we can hit 30,000 thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. As you guys know, I'm doing a slime giveaway and I will be announcing the winner on Monday. So comment below if you want me to do more giveaways and what kind of giveaway items you want me to do, because I'm gonna give away a lot of things